I can't believe I'm doing this today. Hello, my classics. It's Lana again. I hope you like my really awesome, just out of the shower kind of hairstyle I've got going on here. It's nighttime. I did take a shower because my hair was disgusting after registering my son and being out in the hot. So I was too greasy to do a video. I do have something even more spectacular coming up. I've got a couple of things, but including I do another Q&A. So if you have a question, go over to my Facebook page. The link is down below, and ask away. Now, I have gotten one question that I felt like deserved its own video, and that's because somebody asked me, and very shortly after they asked me this, the message they deleted it. So I think maybe they thought they came off wrong, but actually it's a perfectly valid question. All right, they asked me if I actually still use the Helpor cleanup mask, and the answer is actually, quite honestly, yes, I do. After I take a shower, in general, I will put some right here on my nose and right on my chin, places where I tend to have bigger pores, that need cleaning out more often. But this brought up another thing of people so often when they get this stuff, they do one video and then you never see it again. And you wonder, did they just blow like 15 bucks? Well, the answer on my side is, do you really think that my husband would let me throw $15 away? No. Especially when I sat there and I told him, I'm going to use the whole thing. Now, so today is going to be me using it actually on my entire face. I'm going to start putting this all over my face. I need to grab my mirror because this is going to be a mess. I was going to do another video. This was too good of an opportunity to pass up. Fun fact, you've got a mirror like this where it's got the light that goes around it. It doesn't actually help you see yourself in the mirror. Something I noticed, this is one of those as seen on TV mirrors. Doesn't help me. I'm going to try to tuck my hair back a bit because I was having fun being all after shower glam. After shower glam doesn't always bode well when you're doing something with sticky materials on your face. And this is very, very sticky. It's actually a little bit difficult at times to spread. It may be 10:30 at night, but you'll still hear Genevieve because she's a little night owl. A tiny insomniac, just like mommy. Yeah, this dries real fast too, by the way. I'd like to point that out. 10 minutes and this is going to be like solid. There. Now I'm ooey gooey. See you in about 10 minutes. Just as much as I can smile. This is very tight. I'm gonna go ahead and just... It's just really hard to pull. Yeah, it does hurt. Just get this cheek. How about that? I suppose now would be a good time to do a disclaimer. Don't do this if you don't like silently crying. I'd make faces, but this is so tight. And it's very difficult to pull. Like, it does not want to come off. Oh, there's a sensitive spot right in this region right here. Yep. And no, I don't think just ripping it off would work. Except for maybe it would work in waking my kids up. I'm doing a great job at ignoring my mirror. That stings. This sucks. No, those aren't tears. Something in my eye. There are tears. But you have to think that your face is an area that the nerves are all connected and your tear ducts will automatically respond. So you do something that freaking hurts, you're gonna cry. Why am I doing this again? Oh yeah, because I'm twisted. Of course I'm twisted. Blackburns forever. What up to all my Blackburn friends and fam? Don't share this. Hi, Vanity. Yeah, this sucks. And you know, I'm thinking I'm starting to figure out why. I don't wanna. The hard part isn't the pain. Okay, don't freak out at me. The hard part is that it's really stuck on there. So I have to stop every so often to kind of take a breather because I'm literally, it feels like I'm literally, if you ever listen to the Melanie Martinez song, feeling the skin off my face. Yeah, that's how it feels. I bet that would have hurt really bad if I had eyebrows. Aren't you a cute little lollipop? Triple dipped in psycho. I don't know if you can hear this, but it sounds so disgusting. Like, it is hard to get off of there. This is harder than getting into a blister pack without scissors. It's difficult because at the edges of it, it's feathered a bit because, you know, you just smudge. You don't make this, like, crisp line of magic. So that was the least annoying part. Actually, no, the nose was the least annoying part because that's pretty used to it. So tell me, is red a good look for me? I brought this upon myself. There's still little remnants here and there. On the plus side, my skin afterwards feels absolutely amazing. Even the parts that are the reddest feels this nice tingling sensation. I am tired. I need to sleep. So if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud. So you know when I post, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon Central Time. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all. I love you guys. I'll see you later. I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.